Should be all done. DS Diamond here at Stacy. October 14th, 2021. We were showing after cleaning video. We spent a little extra time on the surface line, detailing over some hole spray. Get that good to go. So, and we got a lot of zincs on this boat, so I'll go show them. We got teardrops on the swim platform, and a couple here in the middle. I think one's in press current, and then just a regular transom zinc. We also have one behind the props here. We'll go take a look around at all these. Some R4s on the rudders. See that hole spray worked real well along the surface there. Beautiful boat. Thank you very much. DS Diamond. Private residence here on Doctor's Lake.